Welcome to the latest edition of our Seafood News Weekly video, brought to you by Foreign Trade Data. Be sure to stop by Erna Berry's booth, number 364, at Seafood Expo North America in Boston for your free demo of foreign trade data and Comtel. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Amanda Buckle.
And I'm Nicole Christie. Let's kick things off with the latest news out of New Bedford. The Massachusetts town is ready to move past the shadow that Carlos the Codfather Raphael cast over their fishing industry. Sector 9 is planning to meet with the Greater Atlantic Regional Fisheries Office to propose a new operational plan. Although there is limited information on this proposed plan, if approved, it would end the ground fishing ban that went into effect in November.
In other news, the gap between Russian red and golden king crab prices are historic levels. Although overall pricing for smaller Russian red king crab is roughly $42 per pound less than in 2017, pricing is still roughly $3 more than where it was in 2015. A trend, though, which has not been seen in several years, is the price difference between red and golden Russian king crab. Usually the price difference is around 50 cents to sometimes close to $1, but currently the market is seeing a much larger difference.
And in other news, scientists at the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution say that ropeless lobster traps, or major closures, are the only way to protect North Atlantic right whales from entanglement. Ropeless traps are a budding technology that would eliminate the need for long, taut ropes that extend from traps at the bottom of the ocean to their buoys on the surface. However, lobstermen are not sold on it. Some say that ropeless fishing is technically and financially impractical.
Thanks, Nicole. And our final story of the day, January shrimp exports from Ecuador showed the continued dominance of shipments to Asia, primarily China and Vietnam. However, export prices have now come down to their lowest level in 5 years. The U.S. export price posted by CNA in January was $2.87. The last time prices were lower was in January 2013, when the average export price was $2.72. And that wraps up our show for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to head over to seafoodnews.com or visit the Seafood tab in Comtel for a comprehensive look at the latest market and industry news.